Hey Pop-Tarts, you ready to make some more cheesecake? Today we are making Nutella cheesecake. This is one I've been making for a couple of years. It is some of my friends, it is their favorite slice. So, 4 packages of cream cheese, 3/4 of a cup white granulated sugar. As always, give those a mix first, get it nice and smooth. Now, get a big container of Nutella, okay? This uses a lot, but we like that. We're not faking that flavor. We're using all the Nutella. All right, 4 eggs going in. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Salt is important. I don't put salt in a lot of my cheesecakes, but this is gonna give nice balance. So let's not skip it here. Break the yolks. This cheesecake is a completely different texture. While I would characterize my other cheesecakes as creamy, this is like an even softer texture. It's amazing. It cuts like soft butter. And it gets a Nutella glaze, more like a ganache on top. Oh my goodness. Okay, 2 teaspoons of vanilla and 3/4 of a cup heavy cream. Going in. Don't wash this, save it. Give that a little gentle mix. And we have but one ingredient left, Nutella. You will need 2 cups of Nutella. You do not need to warm it or anything. Also, never heat in these bottles, but especially Nutella bottles, because if you don't get every ounce of that foil off, you're gonna have a microwave fire. What did I think was gonna happen with that there? Also, I'm not sure why I got an accent. Sometimes they just slip out. But there's nothing that makes me think Southern when I think of Nutella, so I don't know where that one came from. All right, back to normal. Now I make 58 flavors of cheesecake currently. I'm always adding some to the list. And I realized I've only shared like 23. Your girl better step it up. We got some work to do. All right, now you gotta be a little patient here with your whisk. But I promise you it will loosen up and come together. Now for the crust for this, I do my chocolate crust, which I do part chocolate graham crackers, which can sometimes be hard to find, but I have been able to find them in the stacks lately. If not, you can use chocolate Teddy Grahams. That's what I used to do all the time. And then part Oreos. And I blend those together. That's what I use when I do a chocolate crust. What you would like to do is totally up to you. You can use just Oreos if you want. I just find that it's very like oily. I don't know how to describe it. It's not the same. I like the graham cracker, gives it a bit more structure. See, that came together quickly. Look at that. All right, let me grab my crust. Here's my crust in the water bath. Using our same spatula, we will gently pour this baby in. This will bake at 325 for 40 minutes. Leave the oven door closed, but turn it off for 30. Crack the oven door for 30. Let it cool on the counter, say about an hour. Then pop it in the fridge for 6 hours or overnight. So I'll be back tomorrow to show you how we're gonna glaze this baby. And then once the glaze set, it's time to slice. All right, it's actually cool enough because I started it early enough in the day. It's actually cool enough to put the glaze on now. So for the glaze, you want just under half a cup of heavy cream and heat it up. I heated mine 30 seconds. And then just over half a cup of Nutella, or use whatever you have left in the jar. All right, see if I can do this semi one-handed. I am keeping it in the spring form just because I don't want it to go over the sides of this. I want it to sit nice and even. Then I'm gonna chill this overnight, run a knife down between the cheesecake and the side there, and it'll come out nice and clean and give me a nice clean slice. Let me get the rest out of this measuring cup, spread it out and show you what it looks like. So there she is. Those are some air bubbles. Those will even out as it cools down. This will harden like a ganache, like it will be easy to cut through, but it will set and be a bit firm if you touch it. But yeah, I'll show you what it looks like by the slice, but this is the beautiful, decadent, rich Nutella cheesecake.